Hi there. God bless you. Daniel Don Okoge is my name. The privileged pastor of Omega Fire Ministry, Paris, France. I'm here to thank God for the life of my father, Apostle John C. Suleman, and to recognize the restorational grace of God upon his life. It has worked great miracles here in France. Many testimonies that I can't even count, I can't even mention. I remember when I came to France and the changes I have experienced in the life of our people in France, the land of France, can testify what the restorational grace is doing. And that is why in all our services, we see the hand of God heavily present because of the restorational grace upon the life of God's true servant, Apostle John C. Suleman. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a living witness, a living example. Married for 10 years, believing God for the fruit of the womb. I've prayed, trusting God for an answer. One day, I was privileged by God as a caring father that He is. He called me and I picked the call. He said, "Son, I have a word from God for you." I said, "Yes, Father." He said, "God told me by this time next year, you are going to have a son and I'm going to dedicate that child." I said, "Amen." Sir, ma, viewers all over the world. It's so shocking that 1 month after that, is it up to 1 month? I think 3 weeks after that, my wife got pregnant. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a bouncy baby boy. It can only be God. A word was released and God confirmed it. You don't know a prophet by the title of a prophet. You know a prophet when he speaks and his word comes to pass. For some years, about 10 years to be precise, we were in the waiting room believing God for the fruit of the womb. And one morning I said to my wife, "Papa has prayed. So what we are going to do, we need to act." I said, "We are going to go for IVF." She said, "Okay." We discussed that morning. The following day morning, my phone rang. And I was privileged. It was my father in the Lord, Apostle Professor John C. Suleman. He said, "Son, how are you?" I said, "I'm fine, Daddy. I'm fine, Father." He said, "I couldn't sleep well last night because God was talking to me concerning you." I said, "Last night God gave me a sure word for you." I said, "Yes, Father." He said, "Are you hearing me?" I said, "Yes, Father." He said, "Take note of today's date." I said, "Yes, Father." It was 2nd week of October last year, 2023. Yeah, thank you. And Papa said, "Take note of this date." I said, "Yes, Father." He said, "Next year, God told me I will dedicate your child." Ladies and gentlemen, 2 weeks after, that is on the 30th of October, Papa spoke to me 2nd week. So like 2 weeks after, my wife was behaving funny. He said, "Brett, I'm feeling somehow. Do you remember Papa said sure word?" I said, "Okay." I said, "Let us not go to hospital, check it yourself." And it was positive. Why she was now 24 weeks, that is like the last week of 4 months. And my wife started bleeding. She went to the restroom and it was heavy blood. And I sent a message to my father.
"Lord, arise, and may his enemies be scattered. Whatever the enemy intends concerning your wife and baby be frustrated. May the counsel and perfect will of God alone stand concerning Lizzie, concerning the child. And I decree that it will end up in praise."
And they said, "There is infection in her already because of that there is nothing they can do." I said, "Please, this child must live. Can you bring out this child?" They did some consultation. They said, "Okay," and they made me sign. They said it's going to be 40-60 because the child has not fully formed. The lungs, the bones. In fact, when the child was brought out, there was no chin. I sent the message to Papa. I said, this is what is happening. No response. They rushed out to the theater, brought out, and they said that the child had 50% chances of contacting serious infection that is associated with preterm. And this is not just preterm, it is a very, very preterm. I said, okay. I signed. Then I sent a message to my father again.
When that baby grows, nobody will believe that baby wasn't born at the right time, because the full strength, perfection, and development of a normal child, of a full-term child, will be upon that baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the day one this child was given birth to, knows one infection. The lungs, everything, the eyes, I don't know how to say it, everything. He has never been sick. This child is healthy.
It's so easy to summarize in 10 minutes what you went through in 10 years. So easy to summarize what you've been through for a long time, the pain, all the attacks, all the mockery. And nobody understands. Now he's saying this, nobody understands the years of crying, of pain, especially being a man of God. You are praying for people, they are getting babies, and you don't understand what it is. But now with their own baby, I was asking him today, I said, how many more children do you want? So before I dedicate your child, how many more children do you want? Say it. Huh?
2.
Done.
Where will I start from? There are numerous testimonies outstanding that God is doing in this place.
You're a man sent from God to restore unto men their destinies. You keep pointing us to Jesus.